Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video, we have another mod that we're doing to the Tesla Model Y Performance. So this should be a pretty cool video. Let's get to it. All right guys, so what we will be installing today are some replacement floor mats that have been sent to me from one of our newest sponsors, which is Lasfit there. You will be able to check out the link in the description to be able to order these mats if you like them, and all of my viewers will be able to receive an additional 10% off if you like them. Remember, in a previous mod video, I actually installed some floor mats in my car already, and there were certain things that I didn't like about it. I didn't like the fitment of it, if you remember, if you go back and look at that video. So I am intrigued to find out if these fit better and how they look in comparison to the ones that I got that are in my Tesla right now. The ones that I got that are in there, I just ordered through Amazon. Of course, I believe you can get these through Amazon as well, but you want to go through their website to get the discount. So what we can do is we need to get a box cutter, get the boxes open, and then we'll have to my bulldog Bruce there. Box cutter. Okay. Blue Corvette there, of course. You know, you've been watching the channel for any length of time. All right, so let's pull that out. So I believe this box here has the front floor mats as well as the rear. And then this one here will contain, I say the rear, I mean the back seat. And then this one here will contain the one that goes in the back. If it starts raining, I'm gonna have to run out there and let that down, but hopefully it doesn't start raining on us. All right, so let's get this open. Start with this one. All right, I'm about to put you guys down. Get this open with that, and then I'll pick you back up. I might actually move y'all so you have better light. Put the car to be there, but we'll have to do it that way. So it's a little bit better.
see on here too. So the two front and then the rear. So this is like. Open it the other way. Show you guys what the packaging here. So it looks really nice. First, Lasfit there. The safe and custom floor liners. Some instructions. Some see what this is about. So they actually tell you how to bend it. Please do not worry if your floor mats get folded. Yeah, give them some time to lay flat. So you fold them in the opposite direction. Probably self-explanatory, right? Let's see when you take them out. You can see their design there. It says Lasfit. There. So this is the front floor mat. This is the rear. Oops. I probably can't see, huh? The other front. The driver's side. Driver's side one. That's what they look like. And see the rear. Let it all down, huh? Let's see. And that's what the rear looks like. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna now take these. Actually look pretty good. Feel pretty good. Remember their labeling is there. Alright, so we'll take these, take the other ones out, switch them, and see how these fit. Alright, so let's go and do that. Alright, and that's this mat, the rear one. What I do like is I like how this is, it's kind of hard to see. It's actually like a little metal piece for branding that they have. That's what that looks like back here. And of course over time, this will come down. It will fold down. But goes to all the edges. Definitely something that you want to use instead of leaving it like this. That's gonna get dirty really fast. You'll be vacuuming and spending a lot of time trying to clean that up. So that's the rear. All right, so let's then install the other two. Alright, so this one's in. I can tell you off the bat what I do like about this one is that it comes flush under here. Okay, so the other one had a little bit of gap where it slid. This is really not going to slide. So that's what I like about this one. And over here, it's more flush against the sidewall, and of course over time this will kind of lay out too as well. And then this here. So the only thing I wish that they did do with their mat was like the other one. You see how this comes up? It'd be cool if this had a little wall here to catch the dirt from going back there, but that's nothing in comparison to what it will do. And again, it's better than just it being on the carpet because you're going to be doing a lot of cleaning. But the fitment of it to me is better than my old one. All right, so that's the driver's side. Let's put the passenger side in, and then we got to do the rear. All right. So you guys can see how this one is too. I like how the wall is really high on this side, or the lip is really high on this side. So looks good, feels good, and the fitment is the same in terms of wall to wall. So that's really nice. You guys can see here. That's what it looks like. Good look. That comes up really high. So that's really good. Okay, especially for your passengers that go in and out, you want to make sure that that catches their dirt and debris. All right. So we just have one more put in the back. Alright, so there you have it. This one fits tight and it covers all the gaps. So the Lasfit mats covers all of the gaps, and that part there will lay down over time since it's rubber. But looks pretty good.
All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Remember, the link will be in the description. If you're interested in purchasing the Lasfit floor mats, make sure that you order the one that is for your car, whether it's a Model Y or it's a Model 3. I like the fitment of it, as you guys saw in the video. And remember, if you order using my code, which is also in the description, you'll get a 10% discount on that. So outside of that, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and we will see you on the next one.